You know, the way the world is shifting right now, especially as we head deeper into 2025, it's moving fast. The way we work, the way we do business, even the way we connect with our families is changing. And as African women, as mothers, as business owners, we can't afford to be left behind. So let me break down some must-have skills that you want to be working on if you want to really thrive in this season, not just survive. First up, digital literacy. Sis, you cannot run away from this one. Everything is digital, from your phone to your bank to how you market your hustle. You need to be comfortable with digital tools, with platforms, with navigating the online world confidently. Whether you're managing data or just keeping up with new apps, it's a skill that will keep you relevant, no matter what industry you're in. Then let's talk about artificial intelligence. Yes, I know it sounds fancy, but hear me out. AI is already in our lives. From those chatbots we talk to online to those apps recommending what to buy next. Understanding how AI works, even at a basic level, is going to help you stand out. Whether you're in farming, in beauty, in coaching, or selling products, knowing a bit about AI will give you an edge, trust me. Now, data analysis. Don't let that word scare you. Data just means information. Being able to look at your numbers, like your sales, your website visitors, your social media reach, and actually understand what's going on is so powerful. It means you can make smart decisions. That's a skill every African woman entrepreneur needs in her back pocket because numbers don't lie and they help you grow. Next, soft skills. Yes, they still matter. We're talking about your ability to communicate well, to listen, to work with different people. As teams get more diverse and remote work becomes normal, these human skills will make or break your success. You have to be able to talk to people, build relationships, and show empathy, whether you're dealing with clients in Joburg or a supplier in Nairobi. Let's not forget creativity and innovation. Sis, this is where we shine. We're natural problem solvers, right? But we've got to stretch that muscle intentionally. Automation is going to handle routine stuff. But it's our creativity that will drive new ideas, new businesses, and new ways of doing things. Think about how you can stay ahead of the curve, not just react to changes, but even shape them. Lastly, please hear me on this one, be a lifelong learner. It's not enough to get a qualification and park it. The people who will thrive in 2025 are the ones who stay curious, who keep learning, who stay flexible. Because things will keep changing, and the more you can adapt, the stronger you will stand. So sis, as we head into 2025, let's commit to these skills. Digital confidence, understanding AI, data skills, strong human connections, a creative mindset, and a hunger to keep learning. That is how you future-proof yourself and your dreams in this season. You've got this. Let's go.